Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can update title, logo icon and splash icon in the Moi app. As you can see, I have already created the default Moi app project. So I am going to run this app and we will see that it has by default icon and splash screen and title. After that, we will change the icon logo first and then we will update the splash screen. So now let's run it. As you can see, it has the by default .NET icon in the splash screen, and this is the main page which is by default. So now let's stop this application and update the title and logo first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these two, app icon and the app config, because we do not need this. So I'm going to delete these and then I will add the new app icon and splash screen. I have copied the new icon and splash screen, splash background. So now I am going to copy paste these into the resource folders. I will paste them in the root of the resource folders. So that you can see in the solution directory when I copy paste these new two files. Yes, you can see a logo and splashback in the resources. Now we have the two files that we need to update the logo and the title. Now let's open the main activity file and add the title that we want to add. So here we will update the title, which is for the label property. So we set the label and the application will be installed in the same name. So I am going to write it my icon and splash. The second one is app icon. So what we will do, we will update the icon setting as well, which is not provided in the default main activity file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the path from the resources folder. So it will be @drawable/logo, and it will automatically pick the logo file that we have copied in the resources folder. And we will also update that in the Android manifest file as well. So I'm going to copy paste the same logo path, which is @drawable/logo. So now let's run the application and see if the icon and title is updated now. So as you can see, our previous application is installed with the .NET icon and the title is which is by default. Now you see we do not have the splash icon because we deleted it. So splash icon is removed and this is the main page by default page, which is click me with button and all that stuff. So now I am going to stop it and check if the icon has been updated in the installation location. Yes, we can see the new icon for the app icon for our app. So now we will update the splash icon for our app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a style.xml in the Android folder. In the Android, in the resources, and there is values folder, and I have updated the style.xml file. So here you can see I have updated a few code lines. As you can see, it has new style name which is moi.mysplash, where I have added the drawable slash splash underscore back. So and its parent is the same moi.splash theme, which is by default. So Uh, in the main activity, what we are going to do is we will update the same moi.mysplash instead of the main theme. So it will replace the splash icon from the splash screen. Let's run it and check if the splash icon is updated now. When the application run, we will see our splash icon that we have updated. There you go. This is our new splash icon which is updated, and then the main screen comes, which is click me, and the rest is default. So we have successfully updated our title, logo, and our splash screen. So thank you for watching this, guys. Appreciate it. Please hit like, subscribe. Thank you very much.